Oh my gosh, guys, we are here. We are right here with beautiful Tammy and Tracey.
Hey.
Where are we, guys?
At the Versace
Mansion. Look how beautiful.
Beautiful.
Isn't it amazing? Stand behind me, guys. We can do a video like this. So we were just talking about the history here. Oh, so yeah, come behind me. Yeah, come behind me. I'll get in the middle. So we just started it today, and let me tell you what, literally the sun is so bright, you gotta wear shades. Look at this beautiful day. We're gonna go to Muscle Beach. We're gonna go shopping. We're gonna have lunch at Pitbull's restaurant. The VIP power continues. The parade has just started. And look at this, it's not bragging if you can. Let me see. Back it up. You are a star. You are a
I know
star.
I had a skirt on, and then when we were
No, we're gonna be doing squats
and then we
on
were going to
Muscle
Muscle
Beach.
Beach. I had a.
You need to put on the leggings. You need to put on the leggings.
Well, I had to wear this.
Yeah, you look great. I love it. And look at this VIP power. Hey, Shelby. And there's Brooke's
Hi,
husband.
Hi.
Hi there.
Shelby.
So happy
Hi,
to
Shelby.
see you. We know you're here in spirit. Come next year, right?
Yes. Come next year.
We need to bond. It goes by so fast. You guys are flying out tomorrow, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
It goes so fast. So we have a full day ahead of us. We're going to go down to see Pitbull's restaurant, eat there, Muscle Beach, plus so much more. I got a lot in store for my beautiful sisters.
Yes.
I love you.
Love you,
Mwah.
ladies.
And
I miss you,
listen,
ladies.
we miss you. Listen, didn't we bond?
Yes.
We've just
Don't,
made
I'm gonna start crying.
Don't start crying now. It's too early.
I miss them really bad.
Don't you miss them really
Yes.
bad already?
Yes.
It's like
It's like
an
when
emptiness.
I go home, it's gonna be too quiet, and I just, even though we connect in the group,
Yes.
but then when you're in person,
Yes.
you bond in love even more.
It's true. It just takes it to another level. It's
Your
indescribable.
heart is just filled with joy, love, and compassion, and understanding, and just
Yes.
all of the above. And we all have gone through trials.
Yes, we have Yelly there. Oh my gosh.
Hi,
Yelly.
Yelly.
We love you.
Hi.
Hi, Nick. Everybody's tuning in. Have fun. Brooke's husband says, God bless you guys. All right. We won't hold you up, but keep your positive VIP power on high. It's on a level 1,000 now.
Oh,
1
absolutely.
million.
Yes.
2020.
Over 1 million.
Yes, and 2020 is off to such a strong
Oh,
start.
yeah. I got such.
The angels were at the photo shoot yesterday. Didn't you feel like it's just like divine intervention?
Okay, when we
Yeah,
were outside
yeah.
and you were taking pictures, and
With
the sun.
The sun rays were so thick. It was like fabric almost.
And I remember the video
Yeah.
that you sent to
Yes.
me, and you said, "See that bright sun there?
Yeah. Yes,
Remember that?"
I do remember that. Oh, yeah.
I thought of that last night.
It's so true. All right, guys, we're having a great time. We will see you later. Off to the next spot. We love you and we believe in you. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye. Love you.
Love you.